The world's most advanced and luxurious private jet.
这架飞机的设计，其中很重要的功能，里面有专门给姚明山女士抽烟的地方。
It's a flying air palace that costs no less than $400 million.
那么，同时又给王岐山、姚明山专门设计的洗手间，然后又给专门姚明山、王岐山喜欢抽烟的同时，这个躺卧的那个专用沙发，还有大电视。更重要的事情
The cost of this plane is astonishing.
这个飞机是不是属于你姚家的？是不是属于你
Who can
姚家的
enjoy such luxury and where the huge amount of money comes from?
钱是从海航来的，海航去买了飞机，飞机的所有钱在哪家公司？在你王岐山、姚庆控制的。
Why should Hennam Group pay for it? Wang Qishan should give an answer about all of this. What does 787 private jet look like on the outside? What kind of a painting is it? Let's have a look. It is exterior of the joint certification of the Wang Qishan, Yao Mingshan, Yao Mingduan, Sun Fengshan, Yao Qing, and Sun Yao. Yang Gailan killed her 4 kids and herself on August 26th in a small town called Kangle, Gansu province, because the government did not provide subsistence allowance. Yang Gailan, this woman, we as Chinese should remember her forever. It's no exaggeration to say that the kleptocratic group treat us ordinary people like dogs and pigs. None of the government officials wouldn't send their children abroad. If Yang Gailan had money, wouldn't she go abroad? Will she still kill herself? Will she still kill her own kids? Your Hainan Group's money should go back to the people. You can't take the trillions of people's money and not return it. Where did all of this money go? It all went to Sun Yao, Liu Chenjie, Guan Jun, and Yao Qing's private account. Why wouldn't you help the people like Yang Gailan? You let those Fan Ya, Yi Zubao, and a Chinese veteran take these trillions of dollars. What kind of a problem cannot be solved? They take Chinese people's money away and enjoy their lavishing lifestyle. They hate Chinese people. They think Chinese people do not deserve to be a humankind, are all pigs. Are all unruly people. Who is Guan Jun? Who is Yao Qing? Who is Liu Chenjie? Who is Sun Yao? Is this country fall asleep? Or couldn't see? Or pretending to fall asleep? I can't wake a government that's pretending to sleep. Now is the time for China to change, otherwise it will die. This country, this nation, needs a real, new political system. I'm pursuing my 7 principles. I will fight with the kleptocratic groups till the end. I want China has less of a people like Yang Gailan. I want China to rule by law.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills, because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.
Every man is a Berliner, forced to look upon a scar. President von Weizsäcker has said the German question is open as long as the Brandenburg Gate is closed. But today I say, as long as this gate is closed, as long as this scar of a wall is permitted to stand, it is not the German question alone that remains open, but the question of freedom for all mankind.
I have a dream. My 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. Let freedom ring, and when this happens, when we allow freedom to ring, when we let it ring from every village and every hamlet, from every state and every city, we will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
General Secretary Gorbachev, if you seek peace, if you seek prosperity for the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe, if you seek liberalization, come here to this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate.
You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world, a decent world, that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world, to do away with national barriers, to do away with greed, with hate and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness. Soldiers, in the name of democracy, let us all unite!
I believe the 90 million of the party members, the vast majority of them are good people, and a vast majority of 1.4 billion people share our request for democracy, freedom, justice, and legal law enforcement, to make sure our mother not to be Yang Gailan, and our children not to be Lei Yang. Our money and properties will not be taken. Our organs will not be taken for replacement. They share the rule again and again. We have no choice. Everything is just a beginning. Starting today, the meaning will be completely different. Once again, I must thank all of my friends who risked their lives to get information for me, and all those involved, and all those friends who are threatened, intimidated, arrested, detained in China. When we will fight and give you justice, that day will come soon. It's time for our victory. Thank you, my friends. When we will repay everyone's trust and support with action. Thank you. Everything is just a beginning.